guys, Mike here. Today I got a stock that I have been trading several times, and it is a very fun trade for me. And of course, this stock is none other than Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. Now this stock is pretty heavy shorted, and that's what makes it extremely intriguing to trade, because we always want to burn those shorts, right? So we are going to go over this trade pretty in depth. I'm going to go over where your price targets should be for this trade, where you can start buying, where you can start selling. We're also going to go over some leap contracts for options, and we are also going to go over some how to sell call options, all in this video, all at once. And I think this is going to be a very fun trade. This stock is just absolutely demolished right now, and it is just begging us to buy it. And that is why I own some shares. I just recently started building my position in this, and I am going to ride this right back up because it is just begging to be bought, right? Rocket Companies is just begging to be bought, and the freaking CEO has not yet initiated the $1 billion share buyback yet. So there is a lot of potential for this, and it can destroy the shorts within just like that once he does initiate the share buybacks. And we don't know when that's going to happen. But right now, since the stock is begging to be bought, I think it's a great opportunity to buy it. I think it's wonderful to sell call options on it. And I also believe it's great time to buy some leap options on this at the same time. We're going to go over all that. Make sure you always, guys, destroy that like button. Hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. Check out my Patreon page. Come trade with us. Come make some bangers with us. So with that said, guys, let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what is going on with Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. As we can see, the stock has been demolished the past few weeks, right? This stock just did earnings and boom, it is hit rock bottom right now. And I think this is a wonderful buying opportunity. This is beautiful. It has never been this low before since IPO. It's just gone under IPO date. And as we can see from the charts, it is just absolutely turning bullish right now. MACD about to cross over right there. His TSI about to cross over. So beautiful, right? Histogram is about to flip over onto the positive side, right? We want to see this, right? Another crazy breakout would be fan-freaking-tastic. We would love to see that if that happens with another short squeeze, especially if they do a share buyback. But right now, this is where you buy, right? When the freaking RSI is below 30, it is just begging you to buy this, right? It just doesn't even make sense why people are selling right now. This zone is a buy right now. It just retarded to be selling here, right? It is a buy, all right? 5-day moving average is going pretty well right now. It is holding $16 and $15 pretty stable. So that is pretty good news. We had a 5 million volume. I would say that's pretty normal with this stock, around 4 to 5 million volume. Today they had an annual shareholder meeting, and pretty much they said they are continuously making tons of money, right? And that is true, right? Let's go look at RKT's quick financials, right? So quarterly earnings, they are just up. Operating income is up 1,600% for the year, 300%, almost 260% already for the 2020 quarters. Look at that, crazy, 26,000%. All right, look how much money they are rolling in. All right, 170 to 3.5 billion, 3.16 billion, another 3 billion, or another 2.95 billion. All right, they are just generating revenue consistently, right? 100%, 400%, another 180%, another 140%, already 230%. And as you guys know, right, right now the housing market just continuously goes up all the time, non-stop, all right? The housing market is just, people are overbidding for what it is going for, right? So if you are a cash buyer, you're a scumbag because you are bidding 100K over the asking price, because I've been trying to get some houses right here in California, and these scumbag cash buyers are just overbidding over 100K on some of these houses that I've been trying to look at. So it is crazy. The market is going nuts, and Rocket will continuously make money because people will continue to refinance their loans. They have over a 90% retention on their customers, and old customers come back to them as well. So they are going to still be profitable, right? So let's check out TipRanks. TipRanks says it is worth at least $21 to $22. That is a 30% upside. They just released a buy about 20 days ago. Everything else was about 2 months ago, saying hold at 24. So there's a lot of potential upside for this company. To me, that's not where I'm going to be trading this. All right, I'm going to be starting to sell when it's around 20 bucks. All right, I think this is where it is going to be a good time to sell. From 16, we're going to ride it to 20, and that is a fair value for me. All right, guys, so moving on to call options, right? Make sure you always click buy call if you are doing call options. And what I am looking for is pretty much the $20 January 21st, 2022 call option price, and it is dirt cheap. It's only $148, right? So that's about $150 per contract. This is absolute rock bottom cheap for a call option, right? This is crazy. You have like over 6 months, all right? Over 6 months for this option to go above 20. Do you really think this will not go above 20 again? It definitely will. I definitely see this. Plus the 6 months contract is fantastic, right? So that is the only one that I would recommend anyone getting. Already has 5,000 open interest. Volumes is pretty low on this one. There's only 3,000 for the 18, and if you go 23, 17,000. Wow, right? This is crazy, right? So if you're gonna pick two options, the $20 and the $23 one looks pretty enticing, right? You're getting about a $40 to $50 discount on the 23, but you need the option to go up a lot more, right? So that's what you're gonna have to risk. Make sure you always know that buying options is high risk, and you can lose every single penny you put in this. Now, moving on to selling calls while we are waiting for this stock to go up, right? So I only do weekly calls. I do not prefer to do anything other than weekly call options. I will not touch anything other than weeklies because it just doesn't make sense to me to sell anything farther dated, because there's a lot of potential money you could lose out on selling anything farther dated. Right now, the option is pretty garbage for this week. It's only like $1 or $2 you can make off this, which is horrible, right? If you sell the $17, you can make about a $20 option. Even 18 is like trash, right? $17.50, you make about $7 on this. But if the short squeeze comes, you just missed out on a massive opportunity. So right now, this week is probably ending, and I pretty much wouldn't sell anything unless I don't mind collecting $1 or $2, right? So if you want to do options, selling call options, you might have to wait for next week. I'm pretty hopeful that this stock will move up by then, because as you can see, this is pretty bullish right now, right? Histogram about to shift up. MACD already about to cross over. It is just begging to buy. RSI is absolute rock bottom cheap. So selling options, weeklies, I would go minimum around at least $10 a contract, right? I want to collect at least $10 a contract, so the 18 would be ideal. Maybe next week it'll go up, and the 18.50 will be ideal, or the $19 would be ideal. And all you have to do is just sell it every single week, selling each contract, however many shares you own every single week, right? And just collecting premium money, doing absolutely nothing, and collecting free money. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, guys, feel free to add me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily. I post some buys, sells there, but most of that will be done on the Patreon page. So come check the link in the description box below. Come trade with us. Make some good bangers with us. Do not waste your time, because time is money and you are just burning through time as life goes by, and not joining my Patreon page is going to cause you to lose some time and money. So anyways, guys, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you would like me to help you on, or if you have a specific question on a specific stock, leave a comment below and I'd be happy to help you guys out, or I might just make a video on that stock for my next upcoming video. Also, guys, do not miss out on the promotion right now going on with WeBull, where they're giving Tesla shares, car right now, actually, excuse me. They're giving the Tesla car right now. You can win that. They're also giving 4 free stocks, 2 when you sign up to use their platform, and 2 more when you make a deposit of $100 or more. And WeBull will give you 4 free stocks, and 2 of those will be valued from $8 all the way up to $1,850. Check the link in the description box below. If you want another free stock, of course, we have FirstTrade. They give out pretty good stocks. Check the link for that one as well. And finally, we have Robinhood. So check the link in the description box below for all those, for your free stocks. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with might.